Good afternoon, everybody. I just wanted to share real quick what our predictions were for our Ohio and our Ohio and Cuyahoga County coronavirus cases. So I have all of our data. Everyone that made a prediction, I've got it listed out here. So these are all of our predictions for Ohio for today, for Thursday after 2 p.m. These are all of our predictions for Cuyahoga County, and I made some nice little graphs for us. So Dennis's prediction was the highest for today for Ohio. Angelo's was the lowest down here at 1,933. So you can go ahead and check. Yesterday we were at 2,500. Okay, so that would be um, a little bit in between 0 and 5,000, about halfway. So we're already past a couple people's predictions down at the bottom. So sorry, Angelo, but yours is out. And then a couple of us, namely Dennis and December, I think you guys might have been off by like a power of 10 with your predictions. I encourage you to go back and try to figure out what happened with those guys. So I actually made one more graph where I took out, where at least I thought I took out. Oh, this one down here. I made another graph where I took out Dennis in December, just so that we could see these numbers a little bit bigger. So remember, we were at 2,500 today, which is about right here. So it's just a matter of how much we're going to go up today. Maybe we'll be at about 3,000, maybe it'll be 3,500. So I'm guessing that one of you guys right around here, Denia, Sanaya, or Asia, might be right. I made predictions too. So for Ohio, I predicted 5,053. So I was pretty close. I was right around here, somewhere in between Denia and Terrell. It looks like we are not going to be that high. It looks like we are not increasing as quickly as our exponential predictions originally were, which is good. That makes sense because we've been doing a lot of stuff to slow down this virus, right? Like we canceled school for 3 weeks. So I'd like to hope that the spread is actually slowing down and it's not just spreading exponentially like if we had done nothing. So that's good news. It looks like it's going to be a smaller number than we predicted. All right, so same thing with our Cuyahoga County predictions. Here's everybody's listed out. So again, Dennis is our biggest. Hania is in second place this time. Sanaya is our smallest. Yesterday we were at 589. So it still says 589 until 2 p.m. today, which is somewhere right around here. So some of us were already below that. Here's those numbers a little bit more stretched out. So 589 is about right here. So we'll see. We'll see where we are today. So I'm excited to see what those actual numbers are and whose predictions were closest.